Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to cover the second topic, major topic of chapter HTML, which is tables. Tables are extremely popular on the web because they are flexible and an attractive way of presenting information in the form of rows and columns. So tables, we all know कि they are very flexible and very attractive because you know from them you can present your information in a more precise and effective way. Like you can see here is an example of a table. अब इस टेबल में we know student information is a caption. Caption means it is a table name, right? So it is known as a caption. Then serial number, name, grades, these are headings, right? You can call them headings or you can call them columns, column name. So these are column names. Then we have 1 Neha A plus, 2 Shikha A. So what is this? These are record. This complete set is a record, or you can call them rows, right? If we talk about only one section, like this is 3 block, this is Ria block, this is Neha block, this is A block. So this particular section only, intersection of column and row, is a cell, right? So let's recall student information is a caption like table heading. Serial number, name, grades, these all can be called as a headings or column names. Then a complete set of record is known as a record or a row, and a particular section or intersection of row and column is a cell. Then we have advantages of tables, like it present information or data in a comprehensive manner. It make comparative analysis of data. Information is easier to read and quicker to evaluate. So these are some advantages because it gives you a comparative analysis of data and gives you information more easily and quickly to evaluate your decision. Then how to create a table in HTML? To create a table in HTML, table tag is used, right? So we can use this table tag, and it is very compulsory to use this table tag whenever you want to have a table on your web page. Each table begins with table tag and ends with this table tag. Each row in a table begins with tr table row and ends with tr. So major tag is this table tag and this subcategory is tr. Then inside it we have td, ends with td. I will show you how it will appear. Then third is th, right? So what I have shown you, first is table tag, second is tr tag, third is td tag, and fourth is th, right? So let's come to the output, like coding section of it. Here I am going to show you an example. Right, this is an example. So what they have done, they actually have given h2, but I am not using h2. I will use whatever is written in your book. So let's say what example is given in your book. Your example is table within caption. So I am too using the same example. So you can skip this line as of now. We'll go to table. Table आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, table is the basic tag, so table is open and table is closed. One thing. दूसरी बार क्या हुआ, आपके पास जो भी हॉरिजॉन्टल सेक्शन होगा, यानी कि आपके पास एक टेबल है, इसका हॉरिजॉन्टल सेक्शन क्या है, पहला फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम और एज. दूसरा हॉरिजॉन्टल सेक्शन क्या है, जिल स्मिथ 50, थर्ड दिस, फोर्थ दिस, राइट। तो हॉरिजॉन्टल यानी कि इस तरीके से, ऐसे, राइट। अब अगर हम बात करें वर्टिकली, वर्टिकली यू नो चीजें ऐसी होती हैं, जिल, ईव, जॉन, स्मिथ, जैक्सन, डो, 50, 94, 80। सो जब भी हम कोई टेबल क्रिएट करते हैं, वी हैव टी आर टैग, क्योंकि टी आर टैग में आप हर एक हॉरिजॉन्टल रो को मेंशन कर सकते हो, बिकॉज you want to have first name, last name and age for the first, as a first, so it will come here, it will open and get closed. Then for second we have Jill, Smith and 50, because आपको horizontally देखना है values, तो it is written Jill, Smith and 50. Now what is the difference here? Because first name, last name और age तीनों ही table headings हैं, so that is the reason you have enclosed these in th, and other section is data, so you have enclosed it in td. Now you will see, हम th इसको enclose करेंगे और इसके अंदर जो भी डेटा है वो सबको td में enclose करेंगे, like it is here, right? So this way we have a table. So this is a very perfect example. Now you must be wondering कि table जैसा तो लग रहा है, but table create तो नहीं हुई है, actually the section, the lines are not coming properly. So what we will do, we will write border here, right, and simply run it. Now the moment you write border, it will come automatically in the table form, right? This is why we call it as a table. And if I write 1 pixel solid red, let's say if it is working or not here. It actually is not working for now. We will see what actually is given in your book, and accordingly we will work on that. So here we have table properties, like it is giving border. I already have shown you कैसे आप border दे सकते हो, and it is giving, let's try it again if it is working. Actually, I think it is not supportable here. Otherwise, if you try it on your notepad, it will surely work. It is not working. So no problem. We will try it. Then we have this section where the colors are coming, and if you write the complete code same as it is, let me tell you how actually it is going on. So what happens here, आपने यहाँ पे स्टाइल टैग दिया है. अब स्टाइल टैग क्योंकि आपको क्वेश्चन, आपको बुक में मेंशन नहीं है, डायरेक्टली इसका प्रैक्टिकल दिया है, इसलिए आपको नहीं बताया गया. बट लेट मी टेल यू कि यहाँ पे स्टाइल टैग क्यों दिया है. स्टाइल टैग इज अ टाइप ऑफ टैग विच इज यूज टू गिव CSS यानी कि आप डिफरेंट स्टाइलिंग दे सकते हो, स्टाइलिंग, कलर्स और बहुत सारी ऐसे फीचर्स जो आप नॉर्मली HTML में नहीं पढ़ते हो, बट with the help of CSS you will be able to give that styling to your HTML layout. Then we have body, जहाँ पे आप बैकग्राउंड कलर दे रहे हो RGB, ये कोई कलर कोड है, और इस कलर कोड पर जो कलर बाय डिफॉल्ट सेट होता है वो कलर मेंशन हो जाता है. जैसे कि आप नॉर्मली देते हो रेड, ग्रीन, ब्लू, वाइट, कुछ भी दे सकते हो आप, इसकी जगह वो भी दे सकते हो. If you are getting confused with this, actually these are some codes which are already defined by the programmer. Then we have table, th, td. अब वो कह रहा है कि इन तीनों पे मुझे अप्लाई करना है बॉर्डर 1 पिक्सल सॉलिड ब्लू, ये अपने आप अप्लाई हो जाए सब पर, तो वो अप्लाई हो जाएगा. Then they have closed this style tag, and the rest part they have written same as it is. So this is about the basic part. If you want to try the same, you can just copy down, and if you still find any doubt, you can ask at any time. Then we have horizontal and vertical alignment. If you want to align your table to left, right, center, or whatever position you want to give, then you can also give it using these values which are given here: top, middle, bottom, left, center, right. Then we'll go to होवर. होवर एक्चुअली मीन्स जब आप अपने कर्सर को किसी भी टेक्स्ट के ऊपर लेकर आते हो, किसी भी चीज के ऊपर लेके आते हो, तो वो क्या लिखा आता है कुछ, ये जैसे सपोज इफ आई गो हेयर, राइट, तो टेक्स्ट लिखा रहा है, मैं यहाँ पे जाती हूँ तो शेप्स लिखा रहा है, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड होवरिंग योर माउस अपॉन एनीथिंग. एंड उसमें क्या होता है, एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है जो वहां पे सेट कर दी जाती है और उस प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग वो चीज रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है, राइट. क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या आपने कैप्शन दिया होगा, जब ये एप्लीकेशन बनी होगी, टेक्स्ट दिया था, तो इसलिए टेक्स्ट लिखा रहा है. देन वी हैव टेबल लेआउट. आप लेआउट कैसे डिजाइन कर सकते हो टेबल का, विच इज यूज्ड विद टेबल टैग. सो it is again not very important. Only go through with the concept. Don't go into so much detail of it because the codes are too tricky if you are going through with it. Don't get confused. Whatever I have shown you, that's the only thing which needs to be understood in class 7th. Then we have border spacing. This property is used to specify the distance between the border of the adjacent cells. Right, border spacing equals to value, and here the value can be written as horizontal or vertical. Then border collapse. With this property, one can specify whether the table borders are to be collapsed into a single border or detached. Right, border collapse value. Caption side. इट स्पेसिफाई प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द टेबल कैप्शन. आप कैप्शन कहाँ पे देना चाहते हो, कैप्शन आपको बताया है जैसे टेबल का नाम, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट इट इज कमिंग एट द टॉप, लेकिन आप उसको कस्टमाइज भी कर सकते हो. आप उसको बॉटम में देना चाहते हो, आप उसको कहाँ पे देना चाहते हो, दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो कस्टमाइज. सो दीज आर द मेजर पार्ट. You can also use the property called height and width. So this way you can give it. Then we have padding. Padding is like आप कितना स्पेस देना चाहते हो, आपके टेक्स्ट और ये मार्जिन के बीच में कितना स्पेस आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैडिंग सेक्शन. एंड व्हाट इज रिटन हियर, द पैडिंग हेल्प्स इन स्पेसिफाइंग द स्पेस बिटवीन द बॉर्डर एंड द कंटेंट ऑफ द सेल. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, द एरिया which is left here between the text and the border, right, it is only the padding one. So the major part comes in table is tr, td, th and table tag. So if you are clear with this also, that is also sufficient, because once you get used to of using these tags, you will be able to understand much more property in table tag. So students, read out the chapter properly, underline the highlighted points, then you will be able to do the practical more clearly. So thank you.